Hello! In this video, we'll guide you through the crop monitoring feature in YaraPlus. To get started, simply click on any of your fields on the map and select Monitor Fields. An immersive monitoring mode will open. You can move the map around and zoom in or out for better visibility. There are 5 various map types available: base map, field view, and 3 biomass maps such as NDVI, optimised and uptake map. The base map provides high-resolution imagery of the Earth, including roads, streams, and other landmarks. It's useful for orientation, but since it's updated only every few years, field boundaries may not always align perfectly with your uploaded fields. This is normal and not an error. You can switch to field view to see the latest real-color satellite image of your field. This helps you identify cloud shadows, wet areas, or even machinery captured at the time the image was taken. Let's take a closer look at the biomass maps. The NDVI map, or Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, measures crop density by analyzing how much red and near-infrared light the canopy reflects. Darker green areas indicate higher biomass or crop density, while lighter areas show lower density. NDVI work well early in the season, before the crop reaches full canopy. At later growth stages, the index can saturate, meaning areas with very different nitrogen needs may look similar because the crop is already dense. The optimized maps are based on Yara's N-sensor algorithm, our unique technology that goes beyond crop density. It interprets both biomass and greenness, which reflects the crop's nitrogen status. That means it doesn't just show how much crop is present, it shows how well that crop is performing nutritionally. Unlike NDVI, the optimized map does not saturate at full canopy and provides much greater variability later in the season. This makes it the preferred choice once the crop has closed the canopy and for creating accurate variable rate application maps. The optimized map uses a relative color scale, ranging from brown for lower performing areas through green, blue, and purple as biomass and nitrogen uptake increase. The N-uptake map shows the daily absolute nitrogen uptake in kilograms per hectare at specific growth stages. It uses a dynamic color scale from yellow, indicating low uptake, to dark green for high uptake. This map is suitable for monitoring how much nitrogen your crop has already absorbed. Using the Satellite Map Date tab, you can review field conditions on specific days. Since biomass maps rely on clear satellite images, a cloud detection algorithm automatically filters out images with clouds or snow. If no clear images are available for more than 5 days, you can generate map. This feature uses a crop growth model, weather data, and the latest available satellite image from the past 21 days to estimate the current N-uptake map. With map transparency, you can adjust the opacity of the biomass layer to reveal the base map and field terrain underneath. YaraPlus also allows you to compare biomass over time or benchmark one field against another to identify anomalies and prioritize actions. Click Compare Field in the top left corner to enter comparison mode. Here, you can compare different map types or dates for the same field, or compare the performance of 2 different fields. You can move the maps by dragging and zooming in or out using your mouse wheel or the plus and minus buttons. Now that you're familiar with YaraPlus crop monitoring tools, you can confidently analyze in-field variability, track crop development, and optimize your fertilizer strategy. Thank you for using YaraPlus.